Most businesses don't fail overnight. They die slowly. Bad decisions, missed opportunities, wasted time. And the worst part, most entrepreneurs don't even realize it until it's too late. So if you're building a business right now, pay attention. Because today, you're about to learn why most entrepreneurs fail and how to avoid it. Here's the truth. It's not your idea. It's not your effort. It's your mindset and your environment. Because your beliefs control your decisions, and your environment controls your results. If those are off, your business will be too. Most entrepreneurs don't fail loudly. They stay busy, but don't grow. They jump from idea to idea, hoping something works. But they're stuck in patterns that keep them small. Let's break it down. First, limiting beliefs. If you don't believe you can win, you'll prove yourself right. Second, your environment. If you're around people who think small, you'll think small too. Environment beats motivation every time. Third, not investing in yourself. Trying to figure everything out alone? That's the slowest path possible. Winners invest in speed. Fourth, no real strategy. If you don't have systems, you don't have a business. You have a job. Fifth, playing it safe. No risk equals no growth. Sixth, chasing shiny objects. Switching constantly kills momentum. Focus is what builds results. Seventh, doing it alone. No mentor, no network, no guidance. That's how people stay stuck. Now, notice something. Almost every problem comes back to two things: your mindset and your environment. Fix those. Everything changes. I learned this the hard way. I was working non-stop, but getting nowhere. What changed everything? Getting around people who were already winning. Learning what actually works, instead of guessing. And if you're serious about growing your business, there's a live training that breaks all of this down step by step. How to scale, upgrade your mindset, and build something that doesn't depend on you. If you want access, it's here. But listen, you can keep watching, or you can finally level up. Because success isn't about working harder. It's about thinking better and putting yourself in the right environment to win. So ask yourself, are you going to stay where you are or step into something bigger?